Hi, I'm Dr. Glenn O'Neill, here to present to you this part 2 of this Communicating for Evaluation, and this part 2 focuses on integrating communications into evaluation. So this part 2 really focuses on how communications can support evaluation throughout the evaluation process. So for this part 2 we have 5 modules. The first module is an introduction. The second module is on communication throughout the evaluation process. The next module is on communicating before the evaluation, and then the fourth module is on communicating during the evaluation, and the fifth and final module is on communicating after the evaluation. So to this course I bring some 25 years of experience as both an evaluator and a communicator. And that's why I think it's important that communications is really fully integrated into the evaluation process. Now, this is a self-paced course. You have reading, presentations, videos, exercises, case studies, and quizzes. I would say that this part 2 is really of interest to, of course, people working in evaluation. For example, evaluators, those commissioning evaluations, and also those supporting evaluations. And this is a course that really, once again, focuses on communications throughout the evaluation process, and it's a complement to part 1, which focuses on effective and creative evaluation report writing. So do please join me in this part 2 of this course on integrating communications into evaluation.